Oh, it's come to a stop again. Hello and welcome to another Train Sim World video. Today we are on the London to Faversham high speed, southeastern high speed. Let's get started. We're on an ACS move from Rochester to Dartford. Got a slightly special livery today. Yes. We have got the Thameslink program livery that has just been uploaded onto creators by someone called James. I saw a video on this livery and thought I had to do something with this because I love it. This, in real life, it was 319, 364 and 365 which wore this livery. I do really love it though. I wish they kept it. Look at that. Just look at that. Yeah. It is beautiful. Right, let's get started. Let's wait for the AWS. There we go.
DPWS and AWS operational.
Thank you. Gotta wait here a minute. Okay. Let's just get a quick picture of this because it's splendid. Lovely stuff, lovely stuff. It does look good, doesn't it? Even on this. Can you open the door from this key thing? All that? You can open it from that. Right, we should be able to go in any second now. Let me just DC on. Yep. Right. We just stop at Gravesend. Are we picking up at Gravesend? No, we are not. It's to just go via Gravesend. So yeah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful livery. I cannot stress that enough. What's that? That's 25. Right, wait, see. Nice one. There we go. There we go. Right. Let's accelerate to 25. And 6 miles is Gravesend, not great. It says 6.8 miles. Stop at Graves. Oh, Gravesend is that one before the. Oh yeah. Gravesend is the one before high speed goes off. I was thinking this station around the corner. Just watch our speed going down here. I think we're following a train as well. That yellow signal just went green. Yes, we are following the train. I don't know what service it is, but I have a feeling we're following it all the way. Just a slight feeling. Ah, bloody speed. Get that down to 15. There we go. Trying to look at. Stop speeding, you pest. Oh, there's the old southeastern livery there. Lovely stuff. Right, it's flattening out a bit now. No, it's not. I thought it would have. Oh well. Let me just have a look where that train is in front now. You just sat in a tunnel. It's not that far up, no. There's, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a either a 465 or a 375. Because a Javelin will not have 8 coaches. So we will be following that all the way. Lovely. Up to 70 just after here. This downhill's annoying me like mad. No. Oh. I thought it was on. Yeah. Keep the speed. Come on. There we go. Up to 70 now. Nice one. So yeah, there's not a whole lot to do with the 700 on this line. So I thought, instead of doing another service run, I will do another ACS. Because I think last time with the 700 we did it from... this is a good one now. Rochester to... not Higham, Raynham. This time we're doing the ACS from Rochester to Dartford. Oh, don't tell me it's a stopper. Where is it? Where's the bloody train? It's a stopper. We'll coast at about 55 then. But yeah, sorry I didn't have a video out on the Sunday. Technically it's like Sunday night, Monday morning when I'm filming this, so there's technically, no, it'll be out Monday morning. But to be fair, I did have 3 videos. Oh, hey, another one, there we go. But yeah, I did have technically 3 out on Saturday. It was starting snow service I did. Hadfield to Manchester, that was put into 2 parts. And then I also had the guard scenario, didn't I? Right, full brakes. Can't see where this bloody... Oh, that's a lot better. I can't see where the signal is. So daylight markers do nothing, day, night. Let me just... Any difference at all? No. Okay. So that train's next stop will be Gravesend, and then I don't know where it'll be stopping down here. What buttons? Oh, that's tractive effort. Take that down. Okay, braking effort, tractive effort. Oh, that's good. Can I go back? No, go back. Oh, so I can't press any more of these. Options. Oh, I got the train system. Alright, I'll close. Yeah, the tractive effort is quite a useful one. Not that I can properly see. Oh no, I can see. Higham. Lovely little station. Got a green now. One thing though. Oh no, never mind. I'm just hearing things. Trees, go away. Yeah, this livery had never seen this line though, would it? Mainly because of the fact that 319s didn't run down here. They only started running down here with 700s And well, 700's never won this livery in real life. But in train sim, anything is possible, so that's what we shall do. I do love how creative people can be with these liveries. That just amazes me. And I think it's actually straight as well. It is. So like, it's not wavy from coach to coach. Speeding. Yeah, this train could go a lot faster as I let it. Let's not let it, because that ends in bad things. Ah, hi. Oh, the trees are bullying me. What? No, I want a picture. I get swine. I got a picture from this side. This is the best point on the route for pictures, I reckon. Yes, lovely, lovely. Right, 50 mile an hour coming up in about a mile and a half. Nothing to worry about just yet. I'm thinking of doing a Manchester to Hadfield service without the hood. I thought that would be a nice, interesting one to do. It's like, that's quite an easy line to learn without the hood. Don't like something like you think about like the Bakerloo line. It's like no. You're never ever gonna learn the Bakerloo line without the hood. Because well, saying that there's Bakerloo line drivers in there. I don't think they use a hood. But it's just like speed limit change after speed limit change. Stop, start. It's so tricky sometimes. It really is. Right, we're going down to 50 now. But we might be slowing down a bit more because we're getting yellows again. We're chasing yellows. Oh, this better not be a stopper from Gravesend. Better not be a stopper from Gravesend. I will be very obsessive with this. Because there's one stop, and I can't remember what it's called. Green Hive, the Blue Water, I think it is. But there's 4 stops between. Oh, okay, we need to really get braking now. Really get braking. But there's 4 stops between Gravesend and Dartford, so it could be stopping all 4 of them. So yeah. Not looking forward to it if it does. I've never done this scenario before. And we'll come to a nice gentle stop. Lovely. The uphill's helping us a bit as well. It's not as if we need to be really gentle. There's no one on, is there? The ECS meeting. There we go. So that's there. That's indeed there. It wants me to stop there though, so I'll put that into neutral. I'm going to explore the train. I can see the train there in front of us. No, I can't. That's a wall. Hello, train. Hang on. I'm going to turn the turn lighting off. There's no point in being on at the moment, is there? Hello. Most of who I'm saying hello to, there's no one on here. It's such a nice train. I cannot stress it enough. It's such a nice train. Hang on. Okay. Let me just go back here. You don't want to just hear the gravel, sort of like when you're running on gravel sort of sound effects. Because why do I keep getting stopped there? There's nothing blocking. I'm holding down W. There might be an invisible wall or two on this train. So that would need sorting. Is that train left yet? Yes. We've got the hour, but we're in no rush. Actually, we are. We're in a rush. Let's get back to the front of the train. I just can't get enough of that interior. It's beautiful. I love it. Oh my god, it's so far. Oh, oh no. Right, let's go, 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 go. What a beautiful train. What a beautiful livery. It is stunning. We've got a minute to get there. We'll make it. We'll make it. I bloody hope so. I'm a terrible driver. Oh, there's no 465 in the bay platform. Although it is only 5:30. I swear I'm stuck behind the only train on the UK rail network at this time. What an amazing thing. I don't know why I need to stop here though. Right. Stops. Wait until. Okay. Oh, wait outside. No. Oh, I've fallen off the platform. Oops. Okay. Wait for a second. Okay. I thought I'd... Oh, there's a road bridge. I wondered what that thing was. I thought it was a train making stupid noises. Oh well. I think all door buttons work. I don't know if it clicks in. No, it doesn't, but you can hear it click. Whereas the one with the 465 and 323 is actually clicking and making noise. So they're obviously better. Power. Yeah, I don't see the point of waiting there, to be honest with you. Right, is that train a stopper? We'll find out. Oh, there's a 395 there. It is not. Again, that's good. Oh, that would be very annoying. That is not a 395. That is a funny looking 395. That is a 465. Oh, I'm speeding. Speeding. No, 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 no. Hello. Hello. Oh, I just got back down to 30. Come on. Right. Oh no, you're stopping there, aren't you? Oh, for Christ's sake. My soul has left my body. We may as well coast at about 50 miles an hour because we want to catch up with him again. Oh, there's a 395. Hello. Goodbye. That is a very steep hill. Something tells me that's not realistic. I'd love to see that in real life. I'm going to actually search that on Google Maps later and see how steep that hill actually is, because that is not that steep. Can you leave them there yet? Nope. Oh, I hate ECS moves. You get stuck behind stuff. So boring. But actually, it's better than doing the same Rain and Dartford stuff constantly, so. It's a change. Okay, you're leaving there, but you're slow. Speed up. Ooh, there's a freight train. Oh, that's lovely. That gantry is not lovely. Especially to me. Oh well. I'm gonna try and get a picture of the pond there. No, you stop ruining it ABS. You can't really see the side of the train now, right? That's the W. Next signal, is it at the end of the platform? Probably. I think a car's just crashed outside me now. No, it's not just repeatedly banging his door down. That doesn't surprise me for this area anymore. Alright, so 40 is sort of like a sweet spot for speed. Hey 66! You've got wagons. What are they? Are they good to see. They look empty, to be fair. Okay, so you're about to stop at that station. That's Green Hive. Oh, there's two of the damn things. In fact, I think that's a... Oh, bloody hell! Oh, no! I got AWS'd. Train stop override. Yes, that's... Okay. Does that... TSO. Contact signal.
DPWS and AWS operational.
Okay, he said proceed. Can I go now? Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll keep that. Help. TSO. Train stop over. Yes. Let me go. Oh, I hate this. You with me? Oh. That doesn't sound amazing. Can you, like, not do that, please? I don't know how to... Bloody hell. Let's try and shut it off again. Alright, let's go.
And AWS operational.
How do I... Train stop. Right, go, you... No, that did nothing. Okay. You know what? I am going to completely isolate the train. Battery off. I don't know why I have that. Okay, so it's completely dead now. Oh, battery on. We are not going to be able to time. If not, yeah. Always remember. Right, how does that do? On DC. Right, I just isolated the The, yeah, the AWS. Yeah, so if I turn the TPWS back on, how do I just... oh my god, it's frozen. That's on DSD as well. Oh, bloody hell. I just turned the DSD on. Okay, 80, oh, it's all combined, the AWS and TPWS. You can isolate the power, okay. Okay, so we've got no AWS now for the rest of the journey. Train stop override is active, so does that mean you're right? No, okay. Driver assist, well, you're not telling me to do any of that. Oh. Oh, it's come to a stop again. I... This game hates me. I need to be at Dartford in like, not even 9 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever. I'm not doing the math. There's that train in front, I'm pretty sure it's already gotten to Dartford, so... Oh no, it's there. Okay, I can still make up time, I can still make it up. Easy, easy. Need some self-confidence. I have no confidence in myself, to be completely honest though. What is the... ATO, oh you can't press that. Okay, we're going right up to 70 now. Surely the train stop override should stop the train from, well, stopping. Would that not work? Or, I don't know. Ah! What is this? This is a bloody mess. There we go. Okay, we're motoring along now. Lovely. Hopefully we'll be on time, we should be. We go down to 15 a mile. There's another train. 465, hello. Okay, so that train's just going to Dartford. We're not far behind that train. I wonder why the TPWS and AWS are combined in this train. I don't think I've ever seen that in any other train, or am I just really thinking that's in every train? But I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I've got a yellow signal here. Oh, we're speeding like mad. Let's adjust that quickly. Why did it not slow down for that? I even said before we got a 15 a mile. What? Oh. I'm getting tired now, to be fair. Well, actually, the biggest thing that's going through my head is, why is the AWS and TPWS mixed together? So, not the biggest questions in the world, but still enough to occupy my brain. I reckon we're going to be on time. We're going to slow down for a signal, well, just around this corner it looks like. Yeah, just there. Well, you can see it there, most definitely can. Yeah. Oh, it's yellow now. We're going as far as 40 anyway. 465, hello! You're all very common today. Lots of 465s. Well, I've seen one 700 today. It goes down to 40 here, but the 25's coming up in a minute. So, let's sort off that. Oh, we're going over the tracks. Okay, this is different. This is most definitely different. Okay, now we're speeding. Slow down a little bit. Oh, we're going on this platform. Okay, I've never done this before. Oh, there's a 700. There we go. Was that what we were following all the way down? It probably were, actually. Ooh, damn you, 700. Beep beep. So I'm assuming this just turns back on itself and goes up towards raining. Oh, newspapers that need filling up there. Goodbye 700, I am superior to you, I have a better livery. Okay, it wants me to unlock the doors. Oh, I've just shut the thing down. Tail lights, yep. Oh, have I had tail lights all the way down on? Yeah, well. Hang on. There you go. Activate that for the next driver. He will be going far. Newspapers. Do them real quick while we're frozen here. Lovely stuff. Oh, okay. I need to turn the train lighting on. But this is where oh yeah, this is where I am going to leave just while I'm frozen waiting for my stats to come up. We got 500 points there, there we go. So I will see you in the next video. And, well, ta-ra.